how to use two Excel functions that will save you hours. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Excel file. And one of a very handy feature if you're working in large data is you can do auto sum. Just put in total at the end and then go to the last cell of the numbers and tap on alt and equals to at the same time and then hit enter. Now all of the data will be summed in minutes, in seconds. Now, another function is you can use the flash fill function. For example, you just want the first name. So what you can do is you can select the first name from the table at first, Control C, and then put it in Control V. Now you don't have to manually enter all the name. You can just use the shortcut Control E. And there you go. You can do the same with the surname. Just select it, paste it in a new cell and hit Control E. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.